This is really exciting. We're starting our extreme jet boat ride on the Thames, and we're going to be going for about 75 minutes. We're covering a distance about 8.5 miles from Westminster Pier here to the Thames River Barrier, and it should just be incredible. While we're on this fantastic extreme jet boat adventure, I'm going to act as your tour guide and give you some narration as to the different sites we will be passing. My coverage of this extreme jet boat adventure on the Thames is very unique to YouTube because I've covered it in great detail in 6 fantastic HD video chapters. As you can see now, we've left the dock and we're heading on the Thames. Straight ahead of us is the famous Westminster Bridge, and to the right of that is the Westminster Palace, or the Houses of Parliament. To the right here are boats, usually working boats, which are along the Thames here in this area. Also, a lot of these boats, some of these boats you will see later on, are actually restaurants. There's the Westminster Bridge and the Houses of Parliament to the right, along with Big Ben. We're now going under Westminster Bridge. It's about 2:30 in the afternoon here, Sunday, September 7th, 2014. Just want to tell you that the company I'm using on this jet boat ride is Thames Jet, and I posted their web address on this screen. Over here to the right is the Palace of Westminster, the Houses of Parliament, Big Ben right there, as I pointed out to you before. For your information, Big Ben refers to the bell in the tower, and not the tower itself or the clock. The Palace of Westminster, believe it or not, has about 1,000 plus rooms, which just makes it incredible in terms of size. Here's another shot of Westminster Bridge from the other side. We're now going to turn around and head back down the Thames, going the other way on the other side of the river. As you can see, we're going to be passing once again under the Westminster Bridge. Here's the London County Hall building. Right now it is a hotel and a shopping area. Right there is the London Eye, which is a humongous Ferris wheel. I've yet to go up on it, but I'm giving you a shot here, a close-up shot of the cars and the people in it. Right now we're passing under the Hungerford and Golden Jubilee bridges. Going under Waterloo Bridge, and here's a close-up shot of the tallest building in the European Union, the Shard Building, which is about 87 stories high. We're now heading under Blackfriars Bridge. This is the Tate Modern Art Gallery, which is one of the best art galleries in the world. Here's St. Paul's Cathedral, designed by Christopher Wren. Now we're going under the Millennium Pedestrian Bridge. Here's a great shot of Shakespeare's Globe Theatre. We're now going under London's Southwark Bridge.